You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. On the 1-day chart, Bitcoin is trading at 31.2k, and yesterday we see a very super massive move all the way from this level on the 4-hour chart to the upside, creating a new high. What are we expecting on the 4-hour chart? And on the 4-hour chart, ETH massive pump to the upside, and on Matic. In fact, yesterday there was a lot of pump in the market. Is that pump going to continue, or we're going to see significant retracement before the next move to the upside? Watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. On the Bitcoin 1-day chart, I told you that after this breakout, the market move and close above every other close within this area, and if this candle close bullish, we're going to see the market begin to move to the upside to the $33,000 and $34,000 level. That means market should continue its movement into the 33,000 here to 34,000 at this very area. This is my expectation. I am still expecting that the market continue its movement to the upside within this zone and this area of 34,000. Then we'll then see retracement to the downside from this very area. This is what I am expecting right now on the 1-day chart. There is a tendency of the market coming back down a little bit before that very movement to the upside. Something is also very important on the chart is that if you look at this very MACD, I told you about the fact that the MACD histogram is having a very dull momentum to the downside. That is, there is a reduced momentum right here, which means the market still have capacity of moving to the upside, and these have a very strong implication, which means that once the MACD histogram start forming on the positive side of the MACD with green bars, it means that the market is going to move up. But I am paying attention to markets creating reduced momentum on the histogram, just like we are having on the negative side right here. It should happen same way on the positive side, and that should create a divergence on the 1-day chart, and then on the price action right here we should see this formation like this. So once you see divergence on the chart like this, then that means the market is going to retrace significantly to the downside. If you look at it, that same movement is what we saw around this area before this very strong move to the upside. If you look at, see the market was moving from this area downward, but if you look at the MACD indicator from this level, market was moving slightly upward. Okay, so divergence, which was a bullish divergence around this area, and the market continued to move to the upside. That is what I am critically paying attention to as we begin to see the market move gradually into $33,000 and $34,000. Okay, once that divergence occur on the charts, is going to be a nice time to short the market for a good retracement to the downside. This is what you need to pay attention to right now. I am very much bullish on Bitcoin right now. I am expecting the market to move up to $33,000 and $34,000 on the 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart, I told you that the market is going to move to the upside, and we should wait for this very level of resistance to break. That after the breakout of this level of resistance, it will be a nice time for us to take a position. One thing you have to understand about technical analysis is that when the market has moved considerably up to this very area, it is not after that breakout you don't just jump into the market because you believe the market is going to move to the upside. No, because market have capacity of retracing this impulsive move to the upside before that very continuation that will enable you enter the market. So what I am paying attention to right now is the market to come back down a little bit before continuation, and the market should come down into this very area within this very range of market. So this area market should continue into this very level of 30.8k before the next move to the upside. So market should continue down in the retracement, then from this area market should begin to move to the upside. This is what I'm expecting right now. I am not expecting the market to just continue its movement from here. You may see a little move move to the upside from this area, but I am looking at the market coming down considerably. If you miss out on this very trade, then there is no problem. Wait for the market to retrace before the next move you will enter in the market. And one thing very important is that on the Remit Trade Premium Signal group right here, before that very move around 8:50 a.m., I gave this trade on the premium group on Litecoin, Phantom and Matic. Few hours after this very signal, the market began to pump to the upside aggressively on Bitcoin and right here on Matic. This was super amazing, guys. And one of the reasons why I gave this signal is because of this very important thing on this very chart. You see, when the CPI data was released on Wednesday, the market moved a little bit to the upside and it was coming down but could not create a new low. So market paused at this very area. The question you should be asking is, why did not the market move into this area of important support or possibly create a new low, lower than all the lows we have right here on this support level? But the market did not. Okay, then market began to move to the upside gradually, approaching the London trading section, and after the market pumped to the upside. For that reason, I was very sure that market is going to respond to the CPI data to the upside. And if you watch my video yesterday where I talk about the CPI data and the year-per-year data and the reduction in inflation that is occurring right now in the United States. And one thing that also important on this chart that we need to pay attention to is that the market have created this low, and then the market have created a new high that is higher than every other high within this horizontal ranging market. Market creates a new high at this very point, market should retrace downward, okay, before the next move to the upside. So we are looking at the market creating another low at this point, then continuation. So that means the market have started creating higher highs and a higher low at this very point before continuation. This is a sign that an uptrend is beginning to start out of the break of this horizontal ranging market, and this is what you need to pay a critical attention to for the market to continue its movement to the upside. And on ETH, if you look at this very area, the market just pumped to the upside, and the target you should be considering right now is this very level of $2,100 level, this very area of important resistance. So this point is very important on ETH. I am looking at the market to come into this very area of important resistance. So market should continue its movement to the upside. And another thing on ETH right here is that the market have started formation on the positive side of the MACD with two green bars, but of course a very little momentum in this very area on the MACD histogram. And this is also very important. This also could probably give us a divergence, but let's see the market move into this very area of important resistance. This is what I am paying attention to right now. ETH USDT 4-hour chart at this very area. You see the market move all the way from this point to the upside, and a lot of volume spike at this very point. What these spikes indicate that the market is tired of moving to the upside. That is, the bulls are not longer interested in moving the market to the upside, and that we need to see a significant move to the downside. And I am expecting this market to retrace significantly. This area of resistance should turn support for the market. From this area of resistance and this level of support, that is where I am expecting the market to return back into. So market to come into this very area, then from this zone we should see the market begin to move to the upside for the next move. Remember that the market have already created a new high at this area, so if the market come back down and create a higher low within this zone, it will be a nice time for market to also move to the upside. This is what you need to pay attention to on ETH 4-hour chart and on Matic. You see the market market from this zone, market moved to the upside. And in this very video yesterday, I talked about the fact that Matic is going to move into the 0.85 and 0.90, and within the price zone of 0.85 and 0.90, we're going to see the market retrace. And that is what we are seeing exactly right here. You can watch this very video to find that out. And right here, you see the market move up to this point of 0.89, and that is when the market begin to shift to the downside. This is very, very important. I am also expecting retracement back down in the market. This place where the market is right now is not the right time to buy, because market has already moved significantly from here to the upside. Retracement is needed in the market before the next continuation. So expect the market to move into this very level of support and resistance. So market should come back down into this area of 0.78 and this level of 0.76. So once we see that happen in the market, then we're going to take another trade to the upside for a continuation of this very move. I expect the market to move in here, and then from here market should continue its movement to the upside, creating a new low at this very area, which is a higher low. This is what I am expecting on Matic for our chart, and on ETH. It's not the right time to take a buy position yet. Allow the market to move down before you take any buy position, and also on BTC for our chart. And if you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, so that you can generate your own signal and learn how to trade profitably and know when the market is going to move before the move will occur, check the description of this video right now. You see contact, reach out to me immediately for intensive training. If you are new to this channel, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.